Hi people, welcome back to Bite or Fly, and today we are going to try to make mashed potatoes in our Ninja Blender. We haven't done one of these in a while and I did not feel like mashing my potatoes with a ricer, so we're going to try and see if this will work. So let's go.
Before we go any further, I just want to let everyone know this Ninja Blender is amazing. These blades, these three blades, can cut through anything. We've minced meat, we've made snow, we've made ice cream. So we're hoping today that we're going to be able to make creamy, buttery mashed potatoes. And I am not a fan at all of mashed potatoes. And my mom's watching this is going to be so surprised that I'm eating mashed potatoes. And I'm going to give my honest review on them because I do not like mashed potatoes. But we are trying to simulate the mashed potatoes that we had at Knott's Berry Farm in Buena Park, California. They were the only mashed potatoes I really ever liked. They were delicious. And we're going to see if we can duplicate that taste using the Ninja Blender. So if you guys haven't seen our other videos out there with the Ninja Blender,
Or our Knott's videos. Go
or
check
our
them
Knott's
out.
Berry Farm videos, yeah, Hans and everything else, check them out. Beautiful hotel. Now let's get to the cooking.
I've already boiled about 1.5 pounds to about 2 pounds of potatoes. I left some skin on because I like having a little skin.
Lazy.
Amazing.
Got lazy.
Sure. All right, put them in there.
Pudding.
Pudding. All right, I might leave out a few.
Those are steaming potatoes.
All right.
Doesn't matter though. Ninja Blender can handle it.
What you'll need is about 1/4 cup of melted butter, 3/4 cup of some milk or cream, 1/4 cup of cheese, and I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic oil in there with salt and pepper. I'm hoping this comes out good enough that Mr. Mister will actually like it. So I'm just gonna put that in a little bit. 3 little baby spoons.
Unfortunately, the mashed potatoes and the stuffed pork chop at Knott's Berry Farm restaurant are gone. Last time we were there, which was 2 years ago. They weren't on the menu and they were no longer available. Rooms were all updated beautifully, but the food that I've grown to love over the past 20 years, going to Knott's, was no longer available.
All right.
So I will live with the thoughts and dreams of those pork chops in my head and dreams forever. Let's continue on with this video right now.
You done? All right. Just a tip: warm your butter.
That's what she said.
Warm your butter and warm your cream or milk. That way, it doesn't get so gummy. Hopefully, it works in the blender. So I'm gonna pulse it.
We don't know. It's the first time, guys. It's gonna be a little noisy. Get ready. Not so bad.
Coming along. I'm gonna add my cheese
See
now.
inside. Oh, it's steaming. Oh, this might be even better than Knott's Berry Farm.
Wouldn't that be good?
That'd be delicious.
Oh, and I didn't put salt. Silly me.
Careful with that salt. Whoa, easy.
We need enough salt.
Good enough salt.
All right, let's pulse it again. I don't want to pulse it too much because I don't want it to get all gummy.
But we want it creamy.
But we want it creamy.
But
All right,
just taste test. It's that simple.
let's taste it. Oh wow, that's creamy. Okay, I'm gonna pop it off.
Let's
for you
see. Are you gonna dump it in something or?
guys. No, not yet.
Okay.
I might have to continue. Oh, that's creamy.
Cannot see with your little chubby hand anyway.
Oh, that is creamy.
Hold still. I want to zoom into it. Oh, look at those blades. Yeah, it looks like ice cream almost. Okay.
Feed you.
How hot is it though?
Hot enough. Go.
Okay, listen. It's not Knott's Berry Farm. It's not horrible though. It doesn't really even taste like potatoes. It's so creamed up. It's garlicky,
I'm gonna taste it.
creamy. You can taste the butter. and a little bit of cheese.
Ooh, it's salty.
I don't taste all that much salt, but
It needs to be blended some more.
Okay.
So I'm gonna continue blending a little bit. But is this a success?
I would say it's a success. It's not bad. It's pretty good for a first time try.
And listen,
So
did you see how quick that was? I mean, easy peasy.
So guys, you could make mashed potatoes, creamy ones. Let me just go. You can make creamy mashed potatoes in your Ninja blender if you're not already doing it. And if you were, then you should have told us in the other comments.
Yeah.
We would have done it a long time ago. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
This is going to be a bite all day long.
Bite. Try it out.
Yum, 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 yum,
Yum, yum, yum.
See you later.
Bye.